Imagine spending hours building a beautiful woodworking project, only to discover that your cuts are just slightly off. Not enough to notice at first, but enough to create gaps, poor fitting joints, and frustrating mistakes. The problem often isn't your saw. It isn't your technique. It's your angle. A difference of just 1 degree can completely change the quality of a project. That's why more woodworkers are adding digital angle gauges to their workshops. These compact tools promise fast, accurate angle measurements for table saws, miter saws, band saws, drill presses, and other equipment. But with so many options available, which digital angle gauge is actually worth buying? Today we're comparing the most popular types of digital angle gauges based on accuracy, ease of use, display quality, magnetic strength, durability, battery life, and overall value. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your workshop. Let's get started. The first category is the budget digital angle gauge. These are usually the least expensive models you'll find online. Despite the low price, many offer surprisingly good performance. Most provide angle measurements with a resolution of 0.1 degrees, magnetic bases, automatic shutoff, and a backlit LCD display. For occasional DIY projects, they're often accurate enough. However, build quality can vary significantly. Lower cost models may use weaker magnets, slower sensors, or less durable plastic housings. If you're only checking blade angles a few times each month, a budget model may be all you need. But frequent users usually want something more reliable. Next are magnetic angle cubes. This is the style most woodworkers recognize. They feature strong magnets built into the base, allowing them to attach directly to steel saw blades or machine tables. Instead of measuring the blade itself, the gauge first establishes a zero reference on the table surface. Then, after attaching it to the blade, it instantly displays the exact blade angle. This makes setup incredibly fast. Whether you're setting a table saw to exactly 45 degrees, or adjusting a miter saw for precise bevel cuts, magnetic angle cubes dramatically reduce guesswork. Another category includes digital angle finders with longer measuring arms. Unlike compact angle cubes, these tools are designed for measuring both internal and external angles. They're commonly used in woodworking, carpentry, metalworking, flooring installation, and home renovation. If your projects involve measuring stair angles, roof framing, cabinet installation, or complex layouts, an angle finder offers much greater flexibility. However, they're not always the best choice for setting saw blades. Each design has its own purpose. Now let's talk about accuracy. Most quality digital angle gauges advertise an accuracy of approximately plus or minus 0.2 degrees. For woodworking, that's more than enough. The important difference isn't usually the advertised accuracy. It's consistency. A good digital angle gauge should produce the same reading every time it's placed in the same position. Reliable repeatability is often more valuable than chasing extremely small measurement differences. Display quality is another important factor. A bright backlit display makes readings much easier to see under workshop lighting. Some premium models also feature larger screens, faster refresh rates, and automatic display rotation depending on tool position. These may seem like small upgrades, but they make everyday use much more comfortable. Magnetic strength also deserves attention. A digital angle gauge depends on staying firmly attached while taking measurements. Weak magnets may slide on smooth steel surfaces, especially when measuring vertical blades. Higher quality models typically use stronger rare earth magnets that remain secure during setup. Battery life is another area where products differ. Most digital angle gauges use standard AAA batteries or button cell batteries. Many include automatic shutoff after several minutes to extend battery life. For occasional users, battery consumption is rarely an issue. But professionals often prefer models with longer operating times and easily replaceable batteries. Let's talk about build quality. Cheaper gauges often use lightweight plastic housings. Premium models usually feature aluminum construction, improved sealing against dust, and better resistance to accidental drops. Since woodworking shops generate plenty of dust and vibration, durability becomes increasingly important over time. Another useful feature is calibration. Most digital angle gauges allow the user to reset zero on any flat reference surface. This is essential because woodworking machines aren't always perfectly level. Instead of measuring relative to the floor, The gauge measures relative to the machine itself. That greatly improves practical accuracy. So, which digital angle gauge should you buy? If you're just starting woodworking, a reliable budget magnetic angle cube offers excellent value. It provides accurate blade setup without spending a fortune. If you frequently work on furniture, cabinetry, or fine woodworking, a premium magnetic digital angle gauge is worth the investment. The stronger magnets, better display, higher durability, and improved consistency make daily setup faster and more reliable. And if your work extends beyond woodworking into construction or carpentry, a digital angle finder with measuring arms offers the greatest versatility. At the end of the day, a digital angle gauge won't make you a better woodworker overnight, but it will eliminate one of the biggest causes of inaccurate cuts: guesswork. Instead of wondering whether your blade is close enough, you'll know it's exactly where it needs to be. And sometimes, that tiny improvement in accuracy is what separates an average project from a professional one. Now I'd like to hear from you. Do you currently use a digital angle gauge? Or do you still set blade angles manually? Share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking buying guides, tool comparisons, workshop upgrades, and practical tips to help you build smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.